Today we are going to start our video of May-June 2025, paper 1 variant 2 for our O-levels, and paper 1 variant 2, as we know, it is a non-calculator paper. It is easy paper and only mental math is enough if you remember your formulas. Mental math is enough if you solve properly in with your formulas over there. And I will say mostly go with the not to think too much about that it is a confusing question, but for 1 mark, he will asking for 1 mark question. He will asking you about simple form, not to think too much according to the calculation difficult over there. For 2 marks, maybe some formula will be added which should be implemented. For 3 marks will be also the comfortable over there. And this is May, June 2025, the latest paper which has just happened 2 or 3 months before. And let's move towards this paper. This is 100 marks paper, remember that, and no calculator, okay? No calculator will be allowed in the examination hall for this paper over there. It is 4024 paper over there. Little bit formulas are provided in the form of insert on your paper. Let's move towards this. Okay, question number 1, he is showing over here. Work out 6 minus 2 multiply minus 4 over there. All right. First of all, I will have to go for multiplication over there. Then I saw 6 minus minus plus 2 for the 8 will give me 14 over here. After that, 80 multiplies 0.2. Just multiply 80 multiply 2 first, that is 160. 80 multiplied by 2, we know that is 160. And decimal, after decimal there is only one digit, put the decimal here and you will get 16 over here in the form of answer over there. After that, here in part C, he is saying 2 by 9 divide 5 by 6. So 2 by 9, first write multiplication sign, 6 over 5, 3 2 times and 3 3 times. Now it is 4 by 3 5 times 15. So 4 by 15 is the answer for this question over there. So this is related to your numbers, different BIRDMAS rule and simple fractions to be simplified over there. Okay, here he is saying a bag contains 11 balls. Okay, 5 blue, blue 5, and yellow 4 balls. Okay, the rest of the balls are green. 4, 5, 9 plus 2, 11. So green is 2 over there. A ball is taken from the bag at random. Find the probability that the ball is yellow. So I will have to go with the 4 by 11 because 4 is total yellow and total number of balls are 11 over there. So my probability is possible outcomes from yellow over total outcomes which can be possible in the form of balls over there. That should not be blue. So blue is should be subtracted. It means 4 plus 2 is 6. So it is 6 over 11 should be taken. Below should not be included over there for this part over there. Okay, this was the simplest question related to probability chapter over there. Okay, the area of one fence of a cube is 9 centimeters square. 9 centimeters square. On 1 centimeter grid, draw an accurate net of the cube. Okay, cube, it is cube. One face is 9, 3, 3. So with all 3 sides, I will have to draw a complete cube. Net to open that cube with the edge length with 3 centimeter. And for example, I will have to show here. Okay, I'm taking this in the form of this point here. 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, this is I'm saying base of the cube. Okay, it is coming like this, this, and this. Total, there are 6 faces. Okay, this is center one. This is a right one, face of cube. This is left one, face of cube. This is upper face of cube. Wait a second. Upper face of cube. And this is left, right, up, down. Upper one should also be taken in the form of next one. This is upper face of cube, lower face, standing face, upper face, and one covering face over there. So it can be opened like in this format to show you whole cube over there. So remember that when I open my cube, this is these are all 4 sides standing, and this is top roof of the cube over there to be taken into account. Okay, here he is saying that 35 degree, 48 degree, okay. These 2 sides he is saying equal over here, all right. And 35 and 48, I will have to go for x. Okay, no problem for it. Find the value of x over there. So if we look here, if it is 35, then it is also 35 degree because it is an isosceles triangle over there in which 2 sides are equal. If it is 35 plus 35 is 70, then this angle is equal to 180 minus 70 is 110. And if it is 110, then I will say when 2 lines are intersecting in the form of AC and BD, then opposite angles, this one will also 110. And I know the angle sum of triangle over there is 180. Then 180 minus 110 minus 48 degree will give me x over here. All right, 70 minus 48, 0 minus 10 minus 8 is 2, and 10, 6 minus 4 is 2. So it is 22 degree for this question is find for the value of x over there. Solve it. Oh, this is a simple linear equation. Not to worry about it. Okay. 5 is being multiplied over here, divided on 35 by 4. 4 minus x is equal to 35 by 5. So it is 5 1 time, 5 7 times. So 4 minus x is equal to 7. Take x to this side and 7 to this side. 4 minus 7 is equal to x. Then x will equal to minus 3. It was the easiest one question of linear equation given over there. The scale is shown 1 centimeter of the position of 2 villages between A and B over there. So here he is showing us if I measure this with the help of my scale, it is around about 6 centimeter approximately. Okay, I have done it on hard copy paper. That is approximately equal to 6 centimeter. So my 1 centimeter is representing 5 kilometer. Then my total distance will be 30 kilometer over there. Okay, they find the actual distance over there. Then he is saying find the bearing, find the village C is on bearing of 60 degree from A. 60 degree from A. From A. What is he saying? Village C is on 60 degree from village A. So it means it should be like this. It is 60 degree. And I am saying it is approximately my village. C over there. And then he is saying C is on the bearing of 320 from the village B. 320, then it means it is going to make 180. After 180, it is going towards being taken like this. And my bearing is going like this. And if it is 320, then I will say 320 means 40 degrees should be remaining there because the total circular angle is 360. So I'm making it 40 degree here. So it is 320 degree bearing and it is 060 bearing. So this is the location of your C over there. I'm saying this is my C in the form of location to be lying between these two lines over there. So this is the bearing topic question. Ring, always remember that whenever you get the word from A, from B, then go with it with making a normal at that point. Over there. Okay, now he is saying go and evaluate this question over there. 125 with the cube root, 125 with the cube root. We know it is equal to 125 whole power 1 by 3. And this 125 can be written as 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 whole power 1 by 3, which is equal to 5 cube multiply 1 by 3, 3 gone, which is equal to 5 over there. After that, 4 power minus 2. To make its power positive, I say in the denominator right now it is having 1. 1 over 4 power 2 will equal to 1 over 16 in the form of this format over there. Okay, right now he is saying plot this graph over there. And okay, a record table shows over there. Okay, 4 points already plotted for me. 4 points are plotted. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 4 I will have to plot. Distance in kilometers is 4.2. Then we are getting 52. 4.2. This is 4.2 and it is showing 52. This is my value for next one. This is the value 52. After that, he is showing here 52 that 9 is 116. 9 is 116. So it is 110. Mid is 115. I'm making it 116 over there. Okay. Then he is saying 3.849. 3.8. 3.849. So it is coming like this. Okay. Now he is saying that 5.662. 5.6. 5.5 will be at the mid and 5.6 is this. 5.6 at 62. 5.5, 5.6 at 62. So it is like this point. Okay, this is the plotting of the points to be drawn according to the given scale. Draw a line of best fit. Okay, the best fit line should be drawn. Then I will try to touch my maximum points over there so that it can be taken in the form of this. So it is the best fit line over here where he is saying go and calculate. After best fit, Aga goes for another walk. She walks 6.8 kilometer. Use your line of best fit to estimate the time Asha takes for this walk. 6.8. So 6.8 is this. Getting this value here. It is approximately taking 86 minutes over there. 86 minutes over there should be taken. That is related to 86 kilometers distance. 86 minutes should be taken into account for it. That will be the easiest one, I think so. The question over here. After that, I will say here, okay, this was your question related to little bit graphical representation over there. And it was our question number 8. Now we are moving towards question number 9 over there, where he is saying the diagram below shows a rectangle 87.1 millimeter and 23.6. By writing each number up to one significant figure, find the estimated area of the rectangle. So it will be 90, it will be 20, 20, it will be 20, it will be 90. And we will have to multiply both of them and we will easily be able to go to calculate it. So it will be, I said, when one significant figure, it means one non-zero digit I am talking about. That is 90, that is 20, 90 multiplied by 20 will give you 9 to the 18 and you have two zeros there and that will be 1800 millimeter square will be the answer for this one. Okay, write down 228 as a prime factors. Yeah, it's easy. 228. Go with 2 first and you will go 1, 1, 4. Go with 2 again here, 2, and it is 2, 5 the 10 and 2, 5 the 10, 0, 11, 5, 0, 7. 2 is again here, 2 is again here. Now 7, 5, 12. So 3 will be coming for it. Why it is 50? It is 57. 57, not 507. That will be too much large, by the way. Okay, 319 times and 19 is done. So it is the prime factor of 2 square multiplied by 3 multiplied by 19. 2 square multiplied by 3 multiplied by 19 over there. Here he is saying, find the prime factors of this one also. So it means here he is doubling the power. So you are going to also double the power over there. 2 power 4 multiply 3 power 2 multiply 19 power 2 over there. This is the easiest technique. Otherwise, you are going to do this again. It's up to you. But the simplest method is to go in the form of just taking the square and make this whole answer as a square over there. And the powers are going to be multiplied and it will be simplified. Okay. Here he is saying the mass of a small box is X kg. The mass of large box is Y kg. And okay. 4 small boxes, 4x plus 6y. So I will write it 4x plus 6y is equal to 30. He is saying show it equal to this. So I know that 2 is common here. 2 into 2x plus 3y is equal to 30. 2 is multiplied here, will be dividing on other side. It will be 2x plus 3y is equal to 15 there. Okay. The total 6 small boxes and 1 large box is 13 kg. Use this information to write down an equation in terms of x and y. 6 small boxes and 1 large box. Then I will say 6x plus y is equal to 13. That is like 6 boxes plus 1 box should be taken and it will be taken according to this value over there. Now he is talking about in the next part, what is he saying? Solve the simultaneous equations to find the mass of a small box and the mass of a large box over there. So I have two main equations here. Simultaneously, I have to solve them. Best method is just take your original equation by getting for this equation to be multiplied by 3 so that x can be equating over there. 6x plus 9y equal to 45. 6x plus 9y equal to 45. And the other one which you have 6x plus y equal to 13. 6x plus y equal to 13. Okay, let's go and subtract it over there. Minus, minus, minus cancelled 8y equals to 5 minus 3, 2, 32, y equal to 4 over there. When y is 4, let's put this value in this equation over there. 6x plus 4 is equal to 13. 6x is equal to 13 minus 4. 9 by 6. Then it is 3 by 2. And x is equal to 1.5 over there. Okay. This was the easiest question, by the way. Just try to be focused how to understand them. And the small box will be X and large box will be Y. Then it is 1.5 kg and it is 4 kg over there. Okay, now it is transformation. Triangle A and triangle B are drawn over here. All right. Now he is saying describe by single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. So I will say it is 90-degree clockwise rotation. Like this point is being shown over here. Like this is format. This is format. This is format. And this is 90-degree angle that your triangle is translated little bit over there, rotated over there. Then it is a rotation 90-degree clockwise, because we know the angle like this is coming like a clockwise over there as angle. Clockwise rotation, 90-degree clockwise rotation. And the vertices for this one is overall axis of rotation like that. Then I will say here it is going towards this and this. So it is minus 2 here. Okay, it can be taken like this and this, making it just like a rotation of 90-degree. So I'm saying it is minus 2, 1 as a center of rotation over there, or point of rotation where center of rotation should be taken into account. This was the description for single transformation of this point. Now he is saying by drawing an image of a triangle A after a reflection in the line x equal to minus 1. All right, that is very easy. Let's draw the line at x equal to minus 1. And then to draw the image also, okay, x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 is this equation. Is this the line? Now it is how much this point is far from this mirror line. 1 and 2 point go from this side. 1 and 2 point here. This is your point. This point is how much far? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, go on the other side. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is coming here. And this point is how much far? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is coming like this. Join all of these points, and you can also write the vertices to describe it. I have just drawn it for you. Okay, now he is saying a triangle A is enlarged with scale factor K and center 0, 0. Okay, A is again done. Triangle C is the image of triangle A. After the enlargement, the coordinates of the one vertex of triangle is 12, 3. 12, 3, 12, 3, 12, 3, 12, comma 3. All right. So if I look to my this point, this is having vertices 4, comma 1. So 4, 3 times 12, 1, 3 times. So he is asking in this part, find the value of K. So it is 3 over there. I think so. You have got it. What it is he's saying over there. Find the coordinates of other two vertices of the triangle also. So the method is, because he is going with the 0, 0 only. So I'm just going to multiply them with the 3. The vertex here is 1, comma 1 should be multiplied. I will get 3, comma 3. And this vertex is 3, comma 2 will be going with 9, comma 6. So 3, 3, 9, comma 6. 3, 3, 9, comma 6. 3, 3, 9, comma 6. Over there should be taken. Okay, in a sale shop, a shop is reduces all prices by 20% at quote cost $85 before the sale. Find out the price after the sale. So this is 20% reduced. So I will have now the 80% value over there. Then I will say it should be go with like 85 is total minus 20% discount. 20 over 100 multiply 85. And from here, 17 1 the 17 5 the 20 20 20 cancelled. 85 minus 17 17 5 times 85 17 4 times $68. The sale price of a shirt is $40. Work out the cost of shirt before sale. Okay, now I will have to go the reciprocal way. I will say here that I need now 100% price over there. I am given with 80% price, that is 40 over there, multiply 40. Let's get the value. 0 is gone with 0, 4 is gone with 2, 8, and it is 2, 1 time, 2, 5 times. So it is $50 is the original cost before the sale over there. Okay, let's move to the next question over here. This is the question which is related to, I think so, coordinate geometry. A and B are given. A point is -4, 5. B is 6, 1. B is 6, 1, and A is -4, 5. All right. Now he is saying here, find what to find for BC is also given. Okay. Find the column vector for AB. So AB for column vector AB over there. We know that this is our OB if we write it 6, 1. And if we write it -4, 5, this is our OA. OB minus OA over there. Then I will say it should be written as 6, 1 into A is -4, 5. It should be subtracted. 6 minus plus 4, 10. 10. And the second one is 1 minus 5, -4. It is 10 minus 4 over there. Then he is saying there, find the coordinates of point C over there. Find the coordinates of the point C over there. All right. So I have BC. I have OB. Okay. It means I need OC. BC vector is equal to OC minus OB. Okay, I need OC over there. OC is equal to BC plus OB. What is our BC? BC is minus 3 minus 4. So OC is equal to minus 3 minus 4 plus OB is 6, 1. 6, 1. So it is giving me 6 minus 3 is 3 and 1 minus 4 is giving minus 3. So this is the way how to go with this question over there. Let's move on the next part of C over there. ABCD is a trapezium. All right, ABCD is a trapezium. All right, where he is saying ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to DC and AB is equal to 2DC. Means half. AB is half. Find the coordinates of the point D over there. So A, B, C. C vertices I also have 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. It is 6, so it means that it is 6. It is 3. It is 1, 2, 3. It is minus 3, like this. And this one is coming like this. And it is going to react like this. And it is making its format like this. It is the trapezium shape, which I have drawn roughly over there. I have this C vertices that were found by me, that was 3 minus 3 over there. So I'm removing the previous one work which we have done here. Okay, I'm saying it is 3 comma minus 3 over there. It is 6 comma 1. It is minus 4 and 5 over there. So I need this D now as a vertex. So it is at the half of distance of both of them, like AB is half of DC because it is 2DC equal to that. Then I will say here that their difference is, if I go far from here in the form of magnitude over there, then I say for the correct value, X should be like 3 minus 0.5 of figure evaluated value over there. And on the other end, uh, if we go for 6, 1, then from here I will say I will have to calculate the value which is coming from here to here. Then it is the distance should be taken. How much 6 is being coming up? It is going towards minus 4. And how the value of y is coming, that is 5 to 1 over there. Means it is 4. It is having its value as the value of 4 is there and 10 is here. So I will making this 10 as half of 5y, that is 5. Why I'm saying I'm getting it half only because it is the minimum double of 2DC over there. So it is 5. So if I go with x-axis 5, then 3 is going towards minus 2 over there. Minus 2 here. On the other end, if I go for 4 to make half, that will be, it was 4 divided by 2 over there. Then if I look how much the distance is, then it will be going towards getting to more down, then it should be minus 1 over there. So my overall vertices for D will be minus 2, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1 over there. Now he is saying, find the length of AD. Okay. A was having its vertices like A minus 4, 5. Minus 4 comma 5, and the second one is having the number minus 2 comma minus 1. Let's go to calculate the distance over there. X2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 minus 5 whole square under root. Not to take the square root like this, take the square root whole, and the inner square root is not coming over there. So we will have to go for the distance over there for AD over there. Then it is showing 632, 32, and minus x2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. 6 squared, 32, 36. 36 plus 36 under root. So it is giving us value in the form of under root 72. So it is 6 under root 2 should be taken for its distance over there. This was the original formula of coordinate geometry, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square should be taken as square root over there. Okay, now little bit surds he is talking now. Under root 75. So under root 75, 175. If I go 7, 1, 8, 5, 23, no, it's not gone. I'm going with 5. 5, 3, 15. Then it is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2 and 25. 5, 5, 25. So it is, this is equal to 5 square multiply 7 under root minus 2 square multiply and 7 under root. It is giving 5 under root 7 minus 2 under root 7. 5 minus 2 is 3. So it is 3 under root 7 as answer. Rationalize the denominator. Method is multiply by under root 5 divided by under root 5. And you will get under root 5 divided by under root 5 square. So it will be equal to under root 5 by 5. In the denominator, there should be no square root over there. Okay, a group of 80 people is there. Okay, median means 40. At 40, the value is this. 31, 32, 33, 34, 34. Okay, it is 32, and the unit is what? 32 minutes. Interquartile range. So far it 75% is for 80 will be 60, and 25% will be 20. So from here to here, I will have to get the values to be subtracted also. So I am getting what the value is. So it is at the middle, which is showing 5 and 5, 10 total. That is 10 minutes. The number of people who had a journey time of 40 minutes or more. 40 minutes or more. From 40 minutes, I will have to move here. Then it is going to here to here. 80 minus 72. that is equal to 8 people. Over there. Okay. Each of the 80 people also record their journey time after from work to home that day. That table shows the results. All right. The table shows the results over there. Median is 25, 35, and interquartile range is 15 minutes. J says that J says that the journey times from home to work are more consistent than journey time from work to home. So if we just look at the graph over here, uh, when they go from start, the time duration of people is increasing, then it is more consistent. So we can say, yes, he is right according to this, as interquartile range is lower as like home to work over there. So I will write here, yes, because interquartile range is lower. So he is correct according to median 35 minutes. Median, if I get median 35, right now my median is around about, we can say 32. It is going towards 35, then more consistent for the other value of the data that is given in the form of interquartile range over there. Okay, the line equation is this, make y as subject. So first of all, how I will go with it, I will say here 5y is equal to 10 minus 3x. Y is equal to 10 minus 3x over 5. 10 minus 3x over 5 is the way how to make this equation as x as subject. And if you want to simplify it more, then you can also divide it by this. 10 by 5 will be 2 minus 3x over 5. The line P is perpendicular to L. Okay. P passes through the point this. Okay. Okay, it's right. Find the equation of line P over there. All right. The original equation is 5 y is equal to 5y plus 3x is equal to 10. 5y plus 3x is equal to 10. Okay, first make y as a subject over there. Y is equal to I have just took this 3x to this side, and this sign is changing, and now I'm comparing it with my equation of y is equal to mx plus c. My m from here, the given line L over there, gradient for L is minus 3 by 5. Now, the gradient for the line 2P is, as it is perpendicular, then perpendicular is M1, M2 is equal to minus 1. Five by 3 minus minus plus 5 by 3 is my gradient now. So my equation will be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 here. So for this process, now I will substitute my m and point also. Point is 6, 7. Y minus 7 is equal to 5 by 3 into x minus 6. Okay. If I want to arrange this, I can also do it. Okay. Now, just finish this 3 from the denominator first, it will be 3y minus 21 will equal to 5x minus 30. Okay, I have just cross multiplied it. Now, 3y minus 5x is giving me equal to answer. Minus 21 will come this side, with plus 21 will make you plus minus 9 over there. Okay, this is the equation which was required by coordinate geometry over there. Okay, remember the formulas here and try to understand the formulas which are implemented here. You will be much more easy towards this question if you follow the steps and formulas to memorize over there. Let's move to the next question over here. Oh, this is related to a little bit kinematics. Physics students will be much more familiar about this graph, I think so. Okay, describe the motion of the cyclist between 40 and T100. It means 40, the speed is constant. It is not changing during this interval of 40 to 100 seconds. Motion is constant, or we can say here speed is constant. Is constant and motion is uniform over there. Find the acceleration of the cyclist between 0 to 40 over there. Show that show that the speed is v is 10 over there. All right. So acceleration is equal to v minus u over t. And at 0, speed is 0 also. Then it is v is equal to a multiplied t. So a is 0.25. 25 multiplied by 40 over there will give us speed. And we know 0.25 can be written as 1 by 4 into 40. So it is giving us the value of 10, which is equal to 10 meter per second. The total distance traveled is between 0 to t is equal to t over there. Final that he has given us is 1400. Find the value of t over there. Here I am trying to apply the formula of trapezium, area under graph. Okay, so it is 0 to t and 100 is 60. Sum of parallel side is t plus 60. 1 by 2, height was given in the form of 10 into sum of parallel sides is having the values of 60 plus t over there, and which was equal to 1.4 kilometers. It means 1400 meters over there. So it is 2800 because 2 is multiplied divided by 10 will equal to t plus 60 over there. All right. From here, 0 is gone with 0, means t is equal to 280 minus 60. So it is equal to 220 seconds over there. It is 220. If it is physics, you can mention the unit, otherwise no need. Okay, now he is going towards simplification of little bit algebra over there. Okay, first of all, take common 3 from the numerator. It is x square minus 4 divided by, now, 2874. Okay, 2x square. I'm just doing midterm break. Plus 7x plus 4x plus 14. So above one is identity a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So I'm writing the numerator x minus 2 and x plus 2 over there. Let's go further down one. It is not having the first two values anything, so I'm taking x as common only. X with the 2x plus 7 plus 2 into 2x plus 7, which is equal to 3 into x minus 2, x plus 2 over 2x plus 7 into x plus 2. This is just like a midterm break. This one and this one is gone, and your answer is 3 into x minus 2 over 2x plus 7. Okay, here he is saying that give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form over there. So this is a repeating or recurring number over there that can be written as 0.117, with 1 is recurring and 7 is recurring, means 0.171717. Whenever this form is written with two digits, you are going to divide this number by 17 by 99. If it is only 0.1 with recurring number, 1 by 9. If it is written in this form 172, like in this form, then you will go with it with the form of 172 over 999. Remember that these recurring number fractions will be given in this format over there. So let's move to the question over there. It will be 17 over 99 plus 5 over 9. So it should be written as uh, it is 11. Okay. 17 making denominator same over there. 11 multiplied 5 is 55 over 99, which is equal to 7, 5, 12. 1 carry 5, 6, 72 over 99. And we know now they are going to be simplified with the 9, 9, 8, the 72, 9, 11, the, so 8 by 11 is your simplest form over there. Okay, now here he is talking about little bit vectors. Okay, OA is equal to A, all right, OB is equal to B. X is the point in such a way that AX is equal to 3 and BX is equal to 2. This is 3 times, it is 2 times, okay. Now he is saying OXC is a straight line, AC is parallel to OB. AC is parallel to OB. Find AX in terms of simplest AB over there. AX, I need this. AX. AX, I need. OA is given. OB is given. Okay, so if I say I need AB, because I have to go from towards AX over there. This one is this one. So I will say it is the total AB is equal to B minus A, because according to head to tail rule, the direction of the starting from A should be in this direction, and then it should be in this direction. B is already positive, only A is going to change its direction. So it is B minus A for this whole AB. And I need AX only. So if according to ratios, 3 over total. So it will be 3 by 5 over there. 3 by 5 will equal to AX. So 3 by 5, B minus A. 3 by 5 into B minus A. Now he is saying XC. I need this XC now. For this XC, I will say here that XC, I need this one now. So first of all, I will have to go to calculate this AB is B minus A. This is AB. B minus A is AB. I have this vector. I have this one only. I should go for this parallel one. Parallel one, was it given AC having some value? Just parallel to OB over there. So it is 3 by 2 because these two are also the similar triangles over there. Then I will say it is 3 by 2 B. This is my AC. AC is 3 by 2B. And this one should be taken as OC. For whole one, I can take also. Okay. This is 3 by 2B. And this is 3 by 5B minus A. So this is the direction this. And I want CX. I want XC or CX. I want XC. I need this XC. I'm just changing the color so that you can understand properly over there. XC, I need this. And this is in my this direction. This one is my this direction. So I'm getting it this one in this direction. Only I'm changing the direction of minus 3 by 2B plus 3 by 5 B minus A will equal to my XC over there. Let's simplify it. We will get this minus 3 by 2B plus 3 by 5B minus 3 by 5A. Minus 3 by 5A can be remaining as it is, but it is going to be changing the sign. So it will be plus 3 by 5A because I will have to change the signs of this one also. As my resultant is in this direction, so I will have to change this direction. Okay, this one is remaining as it is. This one is changing the direction. This one is changing the direction. This one is remaining as it is. Both should be changing the direction. This is my resultant. I will have to go for this one and this one. All right. This will give me the XC in the form of head to tail rule. This is my starting point and this is my ending point, and it is my resultant. So this one to change the direction and this one remaining its direction as it is. Okay, let's go for simplification over there. It is plus 3 by 5 over A. And it will be like taking this one B closer to it. It will be 5 to the 10. 10, 5, 3, 15 minus 15 minus 5, 3 the 15, 2, 3 the 6 minus 6 over 10. Okay. And plus 3 by 5A. So 3 by 5A plus 9 by 10B will be our final answer over there. So it was XC to be taken into account. Now it is related to a little bit completing square over there. All right. X square plus 4x minus 12 over there. Okay, A square plus 2 into A. To make this 4x, I need B as 2 plus 2 square minus 2 square minus 12. What I did, I tried to complete this one as a complete square. A square plus 2AB plus B square is x plus 2 whole square minus 4 minus 12. So it is giving me the answer as x plus 2 whole square minus 16. Now he is saying find the coordinates over there. All right, put it equal to z. How can you get the 0? If you put x equal to minus 2, then plus 2 is 0, then y will be the maximum point because he is saying turning point. Whenever turning point is talking, put x plus 2 equal to 0 and this whole value equal to 0, then it will be giving you y as minus 16. This is your turning point vertices over there. X plus 2 equal to 0, then it will give you minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 will give you 0. then y will be equal to minus 16. Okay, x square, sketch the graph of x square plus 4x indicating the values of the graph crosses the x-axis. Crosses the x-axis. If I look just here, that when I put y equal to 0, then midterm break can be got. So let's go for factorization a little bit so that I can get easily the sketching over there. So x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 12 equal to 0. X into x plus 6 minus 2 into x plus 6 equals to 0. And x minus 2 into x plus 6 equal to 0. X equal to minus 6, x equal to 2. So I'm putting 2 here and minus 6 little bit wide. And now if I want to draw the graph of sketching of this, I will say it is showing the graph in this format. This is my 2 and this is my minus 6 over there. And the point where it is touching the axis when y is equal to exactly x is equal to 0. Then I'm saying x is 0, 2 square 4. If I put here x is equal to 0, 2 square 4. 4 minus 6, it will be minus 12. So I will say here it will be 0 comma minus 12. I can show like this as in the format of this graphical representation over there. Okay, now he is going towards this area. Okay, OAB is a minor sector. OAB is a minor segment of a sector of a circle with center O. OCD is a major sector. Okay, center O. OCA and OBD is straight line. OC is 6 centimeter. OC is 6 centimeter. Okay, and OA is 9 centimeter. So it is 3 basically and total 9. Okay. The length of the minor arc is of AB is 5 pi. It is 5 pi, length of minor arc. Okay, work out the area of major sector OCD. OCD, this whole, I need this whole area. Okay, for this one, first of all, I will have to go for calculation of this angle over there. And I know that arc length is having the formula 2 pi r. First of all, I will say it is in radian. Then use the formula L is equal to r theta. And theta will equal to L over r. Then it will be 5 pi over 9. That is my angle. And that is my internal angle over here. And for the external angle, I will have to subtract this value from 2 pi. 2 pi minus 5 pi by 9. 9 to the 18 pi minus 5 pi over 9 is 13 pi by 9. And for area, we know the formula is 1 by 2 r square theta. I'm talking in radian, okay? I'm not talking in degree. For degree, you know the formula pi r square theta multiplied by 360 over there should be taken. Okay. From here, we have the radius here 6 means 1 by 2 into 6 square is 36 into 13 pi. Okay. Now, 13 pi over 9. Okay, from here, 9 for the 36 to the 4, then it is 26 pi. So my answer for this question is 26 pi over there. Remember that arc length formula is L is equal to r theta, and area of sector formula is 1 by 2 r square theta if the angle is in a radian. And if you are talking in degree, then arc length formula is 2 pi r multiply theta over 360. Otherwise, and area is pi r square theta over 360 also. So for area and arc length, both of these formulas can be used. This was our whole paper, and try to be focused and connected with the videos which are being uploaded as the solution of the modern latest papers. And paper 2 video will also be uploaded soon. And kindly subscribe my channel and like and share my videos with your classmates. Stay connected. Thank you so much for today.